Leaders Park Single Track Recreation Trail, the Fast Trail System, Fall Areas Single Track. Maybe a few rules there. Here's the overview. Of course, the green trail is easy, blue moderate, and black trail difficult. And maybe we'll do the blue. But I just came across some locals. They said it's even the black's not too difficult. There's a few obstacles there, but not too bad on an overall scale. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Just past the sign is the trailhead. Nice, crisp, cool morning. Look out, bunny rabbit. Another bunny rabbit. I'm chasing him down. Smacked right in the face by, I hope that was a poison ivy. I don't think it grows that high, but I could be wrong. Oh, there's the logs to the blue trail, so if you want to stay to the right on the green trail, which I'm doing. Oh, coming up to a bridge here. Get some speed going. All right. We'll go down and we'll go on the side though. First feature, drop off at the end. This log crossing right there. I'm actually on the black trail.
got some rocks we can jump. Oh, we're back around to our bridge. We're heading back the other way. Or that might have been a different bridge, I don't even remember. Straight ahead is most difficult. To the right is more difficult. Okay, so we're not going to do the most, we'll do the more difficult. So I made a wrong turn, but we're doing it. Right along the creek there. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh my God, I made that too. Oh, here's another one. Jump over. Alright, now we are back on the green trail. Almost fell. Whew, but did. I wasn't expecting that sharp turn. And we're at the exit. And I don't have enough speed to go up the hill, so we're walking. That was fun. And right off the trail, you can hose your bike down. That's a nice feature to have here at the park. Thank you very much. Well, I got a little muddy there. I will say I almost fell, but I will have to say I am proud of myself. I went down the green, the blue, and even the black, and the black wasn't very difficult. I mean, there were some really difficult spots I went around. I went over a few of them, which surprised me, as you heard in the video, but that was really good trail. So even the black wasn't, that might have been maybe between maybe a blue and a black. But I did it, and so I'm proud of myself. But I'll still stay on the green. I just took a wrong turn, so I decided, what the hell, feast or famine. And I feasted a little bit, and I famined a little bit too, so I liked it. And on that note, Traveler out.